What up, guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at earlier today some footage that I shot with the GoPro Hero 7 Black on my way to the gym. You will see a big difference in how the footage looks from this camera, my Canon M50, compared to what you're about to see next, which is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. In low light, we'll do 2 videos in low light. You will see how this looks right now, and then you will see how this same position that I'm in, how the GoPro Hero 7 looks in low light. If I wanted to take a full sprint straight ahead right there with the GoPro holding it like this, it would be completely stabilized with hyper smooth. Whereas this camera, it would not. It would be shaking around. It would be all over the place. This lens does not have IS, but it is great in low light. So let's check out those clips right now. Alright guys, so GoPro Hero 7 Black, pretty much at night. Not a very great low light camera. The 7 has been known to be a little bit better in low light. So just wanted to try this out. This is not my Canon M50, which is a beast in low light with that 22mm lens. So we're just out in the field, and I have minimum ISO set to 100 and maximum ISO at 1600, which is what I need to be able to get this picture you're seeing right now. I would say 1600 is the best place to go as far as the max. Now, if you're in a completely dark area, if you have lights around you or in front of you as I do, the tail lamps, I would go higher, probably to 3200, but I'm at 1600 right now, and somewhat of a decent look from what I can see on the actual display. Alright guys, so just another environment change with lighting with the GoPro. I am in the car now with the interior lights on. I have all my interior lights on just to look at the dash and to see what's in front of me a few seconds, just to see how this looks. In a minute I'll get out of the car and show you how this camera performs in low light, but I have the lights on in my car, so it's not 100% low light, but it is pretty much close. So right now we are going to turn the lights off, and there you go. That's what's in front of me right now. Now we go here and drop this down even more, picking up the Daytona at night with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and just to walk around just to show you guys how this camera does at night. Now, I usually do a lot of my videos here with my M50 in this same spot, and she picks up the car extremely well. I just love the fact that this camera has great stabilization. So as I'm walking around right now around the car, the light is behind me. This light right here that's up there, that light right there is the light that I'm using right now to shine on my car for the most part. And this is how the camera does at night. So just testing out this GoPro at night. It is not going to be as great in low light, but if you got lights, spotlights above you or street lights or whatever, it should do a pretty decent job. If you have your low light set to auto, I would put low light on auto, keep that on auto so it can automatically adjust when it needs to. Minimum ISO 100, maximum ISO, I have it right now on 1600. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.